How to see GCash account number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can see GCash account number. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the GCash application in your mobile device. After that, to log in into your account, enter your PIN or use a biometric login to access your GCash account. Once you're logged in, now go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon or menu in the top left corner. After that, to view your account number, scroll down to the account information section where your GCash is or GCash number is typically displayed. Your GCash number is usually your mobile number that you have registered with, followed by your country code. So in this way, you can find out your GCash account number, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.